What began in Paris has grown into a truly global movement. From its very first edition, the Women in Tech Global Summit has brought together the brightest minds in technology, from Paris to Osaka and beyond, reaching new heights with every new edition. Year after year, it has established itself as the world's premier gathering for women in technology and innovation, uniting leaders, changemakers, and visionaries from over 60 countries. And for its 5th edition, the summit is making history. For the very first time, it lands on African soil, in Cape Town, the continent's gateway to innovation. Over 500 delegates, 100 speakers, and 70 delegations will gather for 3 transformative days, exploring artificial intelligence, tech diplomacy, blockchain, and sustainable technology, with Africa at the heart of the conversation. Because the Women in Tech Global Summit was never just a summit, it is the flagship moment of a movement, united around one mission: empowering 5 million women by 2030. Women in Tech Global Summit 2026, April 28th to 30th, Cape Town, South Africa. The future is here. Be part of it.